Many of us have the conception that it is only required to go for an ovulation test when you are trying to get pregnant. However, these tests can also be done to achieve a better understanding of your cycle. Whether you are trying to get pregnant or simply want to figure out your most fertile days, an ovulation test is the right option to opt for. So in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best ovulation tests in both digital and strip forms for your convenience. But before we jump into the list, let's know more about ovulation and how it occurs.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Ovulation simply refers to the release of mature eggs from ovary. It generally occurs monthly in women of reproductive age who are not taking hormonal contraception. It is during ovulation when your body has the best chances of conceiving a child. Ovulation is important in order for you to become pregnant. Couples willing to have a child mostly keep track of ovulation, and if you're not ovulating, it is most likely that you won't have a period. All that being said, it is important to choose ovulation test options that will provide you with reliable results. So now, let's check out our list of 5 best ovulation tests which you can try to monitor your cycle. The iProven Fertility Kit is a cost-effective option to opt for, as it comes with 50 ovulation tests and 20 pregnancy tests to keep track of your ovulation and pregnancy at the same time. Based on the latest research and development in the industry, this product is a great option for natural family planning. With the ovulation test strips, you can detect your most fertile days in 3 to 5 minutes. The sensitivity of these strips is 25 milli-international units per milliliter for determining when your luteinizing hormone level is at its highest point, and each of the strips are individually packed for your convenience. In case of the pregnancy test strips, the sensitivity is 10 milli-international units per milliliter. The strips have a test line and a control line. The test line turns red when human chorionic gonadotropin is detected, and the control line turns red to show that the test was carried out correctly. These strips are individually packed as well. Using the strips is easy. Just dip, wait, and read to find out whether your ovulation is approaching or you are pregnant. Moreover, the product ensures 99% accuracy for your convenience. If you're looking for a fast and reliable option to track your ovulation surge, then the Wondfo Pregnancy Test Strips and Ovulation Test Strips combo is a recommended product for you. The product comes with 50 ovulation test strips and 20 pregnancy test strips. It's a highly sensitive option as the levels of HCG as low as 25 milli-international units per milliliter can be detected within 3 to 5 minutes. This value pack comes with strips which are all FDA approved, and the results are over 99% accurate. The results are quick and reliable. Plus, each test comes sealed in an individual pouch for ease of carrying and sanitary purposes. With this kit, refund, or return for defective products are acceptable. So you can choose this product to keep track of your ovulation and reduce the possibility of missing LH surge. To determine your most fertile days, the Pregmate ovulation and pregnancy test strips might be a great option to choose. The product comes with 20 ovulation and 5 pregnancy strips. So besides identifying your most fertile days, you can also confirm whether you're pregnant or not. The ovulation tests detect the LH hormone in your urine, and you can read the results in 5 minutes only. The strips have a sensitivity level of 25 milli-international units per milliliter, and they are over 99% accurate in detecting your luteinizing hormone surge. So store the product at 39 to 86 degree Fahrenheit temperature and get results that are accurate and reliable in no time. With the easy at-home ovulation predictor kit at hand, you can take charge of your fertility. This product helps you know your ovulation and period cycles and reduces your chances of missing your LH surge. The 50 ovulation test strips and 20 pregnancy test strips kit is also supported by the Premom Ovulation Predictor app, which is free. The test strips detect LH hormone and HCG hormone in your urine at the FDA standard level of 25 milli-international units per milliliter. Moreover, the results are quick with clear and clean lines in just 3 to 5 minutes, and they are over 99% accurate without any evap lines. These strips are easy to read and use. Plus, with the help of the app, you can just click a picture of test results and see your ovulation pattern quite easily. The Clearblue Advanced Digital Ovulation Test makes your work easy, as it is capable of identifying 4 or more fertile days each cycle by tracking 2 key fertility hormones. This allows you to have more opportunities to get pregnant. This digital ovulation test is the only one to track luteinizing and estrogen hormones to identify your extended fertility window. Its unique algorithm allows the test to adapt with your personal hormone profile to avoid the missing of your fertile days. The test comes with a clear digital display which gives a clear blue smiley face when it identifies your best days to get pregnant. This test is over 99% accurate, and it is a #1 OB/GYN recommend brand. And if that wasn't enough, it is the only brand with a reusable reader, so you can pick this product without any worries. So these are some of the best ovulation tests out there which you can grab to crack your ovulation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos useful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.